I think today brings a little bit of excitement with it. You know, we're probably learning on focusing from the last, or we're focusing on learning from the last week, and yeah, today just looking out at Croke Park brings that little bit of excitement.
Yeah, look, really excited obviously to be back in this position. It was great to get the win over Cleary in the semi-final and to have, you know, those 2 more weeks of training and that build up to the All-Ireland Final to look forward to. But I suppose, yeah, there's a very big task ahead of us, so, you know, full focus is just on that.
Like obviously there's been personnel change and the lads are new in there, but they would have been under Mick, which means it kind of was a bit seamless, to be honest, for me. We know the lads, they know the girls, they know what worked and didn't over the past couple of years, so I think that was really important and we're delighted to be able to have that. So yeah, it feels fresh, but yet the building blocks haven't changed.
An urig, bhí mar amach as an sa ceathrú ceannis, so you know, Sarah Áda a bhí a gcuin an bhliain scáte, but táid an buíoch a bheith arás, you know, sa lá deireanach den craobh, so yeah, súla gcuin go mbeidh tuirthaí céanna ann ag an deir seachtaine.
It would mean an awful lot, and I think, you know, it is a couple of years now since we've brought Annie Silverware back to the county, and even just to, you know, our families, our friends, our partners, you know, the people closest to us, you know, they sacrifice a huge amount as well. So to be able to bring it back for them would just, I know, would mean so much to all them. So it would just mean the world to us.
Meath are a really strong team. We know that from obviously 2021. We know that from playing them over Leinster Championships and everything throughout the last couple of years and even this year. We also know that they're different than what they have been over the last couple of months. We know that they've made huge progress and their performance, I suppose, knocking out the reigning champions will show that.
I suppose on All-Ireland Final day anything can happen. You know, I think obviously getting the crowd behind you, like that will have a huge impact. You know, if we can get lots of Meath supporters out, that would make a big difference to us. And I suppose, yeah, just having that resilience, that hunger, I suppose, on the day. But yeah, I think the crowd will definitely have a big impact on the day.